Honestly, it's like 4 o'clock in the morning. But I'm really bored. But honestly, there are like some people that just like let the cereal sit and then they can eat it soggy. I can't do that.
Honestly, whoever said this shit was cute or okay.
I have an interview today at Pest Pizza, and I'm just like really hoping that I could get this job, cause like I don't have good luck with jobs. They just don't like to hire me. It's some bullshit, but I just like keep applying everywhere. And I'm sorry that you can see my bra. That's pornography. No, but seriously, guys, like, does anybody else have this much trouble? I've had, let's see, I want to see, so I had an interview, because I'm just going to tell you all my interviews. All my interviews, I had an interview at, these are like all the past interviews I had. Now, it's been a while, so I haven't had an interview anywhere, like, really, like, recently, but Chick-fil-A, Hardee's, B-Dubs, AKA Buffalo Wild Wings, and, where's the other place? In Chipotle. Got none of those jobs. I didn't even get a call back. It was pissed me off. I just was like, what am I doing wrong? I really couldn't figure it out. But, you know, at the time, maybe it was just not time for me to get a job. But like, now I need a job. My mom's even telling me I got to get a job. So, but, yeah. So guys, I want to show you guys what I did to my eyebrow. I was trying to slit it, and I ended up shaving off the whole entire eyebrow, and it's like, man, it's like, what are you doing? And I was like, I found the vape, hold on. So, this is a vape, it has no nicotine. That was shit. Like, what was that? Yeah. It's because it's dead.
So like, here's a way better video of me hitting the vape. Enjoy.
I'm trying to look for good lighting, but my house sucks. And I swear, guys, you all know I'm wearing a shirt. But anyways, I'm dumb. I swear on everything, I did not touch my screen. The video stopped on its own. Some bullshit. Anyways, I'm gonna show you now how I do my eyebrows, because I don't got no damn eyebrow right there. I'm really a dummy, but you know what? YOLO. By the way, this is a little promo. JK, but if you got some dry behind this, sweetie, recommend a use of this. It is creme brulee. It says somebody fingered my Vaseline, and I'm really not happy about it. But I still use it because I'm not gonna freaking just not use it because somebody. Are you freaking kidding me? I put the whole lid in the Vaseline. Like, I think I'm smoking crack. So now, it's on to the fun part. Nah, but like, I'm gonna show you all how I do these ugly ass eyebrows because why not? So you guys can watch me struggle because I don't get eyebrows. JK, guys, I have a little bit of eyebrows. Just this one is kind of like, you know, it's just its own person. So I have to be very careful because I'm like balancing my phone on like some stupid like stuff. Yo, I have a greasy ass forehead and like shines. It's not cute. So what I use is this powder. I don't use the pomade because it's way too dark for my eyebrows. I mean, look at it. It's too dark. So we use the powder. Okay, so also, where's my concealer? I use this concealer. It's NYX Dark Circle Concealer, but I use it for my eyebrows. It works just fine. And then the two brushes that I use. Okay, this has turned into a tutorial, ladies. But I wouldn't recommend you follow it because you probably end up with shitty ass eyebrows. So let's begin the tutorial. JK. My teddy itches. I'm sorry. Was that too much? Probably. So, and also I got my handy dandy mirror. Mirror has been with me through hell and back. Like, I respect it. Saying that, but yeah, guys. Okay, let me move this disgusting I call hair and get started. So what you're first gonna want to do is get your little brush. So I'm gonna start with this eyebrow because it's not the messed up one. So if I'm looking over here, I do apologize because like I feel like it looks like I'm wearing no shirt. There we go. But obviously in the future I'm gonna upgrade to like better eyebrow product, but for now, but I don't really know because I actually really do like this. Excuse me. Okay, so I want y'all to look at this. In the part you just wanna like, don't make it so dark. Now I'm gonna do the other eyebrow off camera because nobody does want to see that because it's just gonna be like boring. But I use this concealer, so one's bigger than the other. Concealed don't fail, don't let them know. Wow, I'm gonna bitch. By the way, I do not fill that part in because like that's the part that's supposed to look badass, but I don't really know if it looks badass. Oh hi, didn't see you there. What's up, girl? My eyebrows popping or no? Ew, look at that grease. Ew, ew, ew. insert badass music. But these are my brows. Let me know in the comments what you think. Tell me if they ugly. Tell me if they nice. Tell me if I need to just quit in general. But yeah, guys. Like, I don't know. I know I'm not very good at blending the concealer out, but what y'all think? Sorry, I was just like, I don't even know. You made it to the end, girl, or guy, or guy, or guy. So, like, comment, and subscribe. See you later.